What the fuck? There was only 2 filled bubbles?
What's up, guys? See you with another package from Summit Racing. Another hat. Oh, I got all this oil, additives, and I got the bearings that I needed for the differential. So we're gonna get those pressed on and then put it back in there. It all started a couple days ago, but started to rain. All the bolts off. Take this thing out. Nice and sunny now, so we'll be able to finish this soon. We'll get the bearings pressed on and it should be good. Alright, so little struggles here and there, but we managed to take the diff off. We're gonna take this off because that's what we need, and she should be set. Alright guys, so I took out the ring, I took it off, bolts right there. I got the diff right here. About to go get the bearings pressed on. Yeah, let's go. What up, guys? So the bearings got pressed on. Tire off. Getting ready to put it in. Late night job.
Can you borrow that light?
Fuck no. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and torque these in case you didn't know it has a nail on there for left. So when you do this, make sure you keep that in mind. Alright guys, we got it nice and clean under there. Scratching off the gasket. I forgot to record, but she's in there. Alright, just finished, put the oil in. She's ready to test out.
I'm a little tired, so go do some donuts.
Did your truck have a posse?
Nah. Soon to be.
His views.
Now he's like, fuck, I gotta get that shit.
Next week, we'll have another video.
I'll JB weld that shit.
Fuck.
That's just extra weight. Weight reduction. We're good.
What do you mean? That's an extra bolt. What do you...
They have extra bolts, we did it better.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready here?
We use less parts than the fucking dealer, man. That's a good thing. Yo, we should call this like the fire truck or something.
Fire truck? What?
Because it's got yellow and red.
That's on accident.
That's McDonald's.
What up, guys? So it's nice out and sunny. Next day, we're here at the car wash.
What we do here is go back.
Yeah, man, I was really shaky. Do a lot of traction. That Yukon differential makes a really big difference.
I need more horsepower.
Yeah, you need more horsepower, man. That thing's not letting go.
Turbo coming soon, guys.
Why?
Because they don't slip.
You need some more ponies on this baby.
Was that cool?
Think so. Fuck, man. Fucking dirty ass fucking door. God damn it. Ah. I tried so fucking hard not to get dirty. How the fuck am I supposed to show up too far like this?
Got it nice and washed. We're here for about to grab on something right quick. I think we got too much traction. We ain't burning out for shit until we get burners, some new shocks, and we get more power on the hood.
So we'll be burning out. No hops.
With the
Your dad won't let you, dude.
oh yeah.
You have to ask permission first. You show him the video where it's hopping and be like, look, man, I need it. They kind of make fun of me at school. We should just order them right now.
Man, you want me to waste money all the time,
You
man.
saw the hops? What else? What do you want your money for?
Yeah, Dogecoin sucks right now.
Oh.
Let's go.
What the heck was that?
It's my horn.
Do it again. If you honked at me with that, I would not move out the way.
Let's go, man.
Let's go eat.
Alright, we're gonna go eat, guys. We're back home. Shit rips, but we're gonna have to wait until I get some burners, some new shocks, and maybe a little bit more power under the hood, because she is definitely not making enough. I do need to change my torque converters, but probably LS heads is the moves right now. Easy 100 horsepower, new intake, LS heads, more oil. She's looking nice. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.